Okay, let me show you a WhatsApp privacy feature that you might not know that exists. Let's say you are chatting with someone and you don't trust that person enough with the information you're passing across. Let's say your pictures or your videos or even the normal text you're texting the person, and you don't want this person to export any of those informations. Let me show you how to stop that person from sharing any of those information just with these simple settings on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it without wasting much of your time. Let's say this is the person I'm chatting with. So what I will do, I will just click on the number or click on the name if the number is already saved on your phone. Then you click on it and you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see advanced chat privacy. You can see it's turned off. So I'll quickly click on that. Now, if you check on this page here, you will see. So once you turn this on, all these three things listed there, the person you're chatting with can't do it. They can't save the media directly to their phone automatically, or even export your chat or your video or the picture, any of them. So you just go ahead and click on this talk here, just turn it on. The advanced chat privacy, just turn it on. And if you want them to start saving, or they can export your picture, you can go back and turn it off. So for now, you just turn it on and they won't be able to share your chats with anybody. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. Thank you and bye for now.